finally, it's installed. You can see here we are going to create the free account. Turn on, no thanks, no thanks. Let's go. You want to create a new website? Simply click to plus. Go to a create new. Continue. And the site name is going to be SINM website. Advanced option are here, but we don't need it. Continue, and we are going to be preferred. Continue, and then WordPress username is going to be like any admin. That is going to be admin. You can put the same password because that is not going to be official one. And you can see that you can put the email of the WordPress that is going to be default.
Now we have set up our WordPress,
and that will be default to add site. There we go. Now we got and creating site folder that is going to be SIM website. Simply come here and get the allowances. Let us wait. The SRM folder is going to be downloaded. You can see here. Let us wait. We will wait. You can see here. We will wait, and you can see here it's creating. There are many things we have to download too. And let us wait. We will wait. If it's slow that way because I had opened the recorder too and many more things. And if you are saying that don't have to be, and I will close it and start it again, do not do this. That all of the things will be automatically deleted from the view. And simply starting our site services, that is setting up it. We will wait for the setting of it. Let us wait. So after waiting for it, we will go the result. Simply come here and go to the file, or after signing up there will be your website automatically. And you can see here there is VS Code section, and that's the same. You can click to the VS Code and add your themes. So that was it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video,
don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell icon button.
I'll meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and